Cheyenne East was looking to three-peat as 4A state champions in volleyball when they took on Kelly Walsh at the Casper Event Center on Saturday. KW lost to East in the 2014 championship game, but East really came to play in this title match. What Cheyenne East has is the two-time Gatorade Player of the Year in Cosette Stellern, who will be going to the University of Wyoming for track and field. She had 10 kills in the match with a great combination of power and athleticism. She is a returning All-State selection, one of 4 on this T-Bird team. So Cheyenne East won the first set 25-20, then captured the second set 25-18. Kelly Walsh came into the state tournament as a number 1 seed, and they were paced by Madison Vinich, who was an all-state selection from a year ago. This young lady is the heart and soul of the team, and combined with Peyton Stack, they provided a big 1-2 punch for the Trojans. This group went 6-1 in the first 2 rounds of the tournament, beating Sheridan and Riverton. In the end, East was just way too much. Marina Howard had 10 kills. At the setting spot, the T-Birds were solid as Clara Sander and Lexi Trowbridge combined for 33 assists. East won that third set 25-23 to capture their 3rd state title in a row and their 4th in the last 5 years to finish the season 32-7. This is a very special group that got contributions up and down the roster. Kelly Walsh finished the season with a record of 30-8.